If you want to know just how clever they are, take a look at these extraordinary Japanese crows. You see, they had some tough nuts to crack, walnuts to be precise. They realised they needed some help, so they were dropping them onto the road and using cars to crack them open. Pretty brainy. But retrieving them was dangerous. So these avian masterminds took it one stage further. Just look at this. They started deliberately dropping them onto pedestrian crossings so they could collect the contents of the nuts when the traffic stopped. Come on, that is pretty clever.